And if you're new, thank you for joining this family. I hope you subscribe and also click on that bell like button so you get notifications every time I upload a video. Yes! I'm doing an exciting video. First of all, thank you so much for 20k subscribers. Thank you to everyone new that has joined the family. I love you guys so much. I'm sorry I keep clapping. I don't know why I keep clapping. I really do not know why I keep clapping. If you follow me here on YouTube quite consistently, you know that I said I was going to start a series on my channel where I tell you guys where you can get like cheaper stuff from here in China and like replicas or knockoffs and all of that. If you're interested, if you're not, it's fine. You can just watch and go, no problem. You know, if you feel you have the money to splurge and you don't need a cheaper alternative, no problem, you're good. We're fine by that. But here we're all about bougie on a budget. We want to look good and have nice stuff, but then we don't want to spend too much money. It's not that we don't have the money, we just don't want to, you know what I mean? We're trying to save. We're trying to save because we have a future. We have a future to take care of. Anyways, I don't know why I'm rambling, but let's just get right into this. So I got a bag. I already like opened the packaging thing it came with, but then I haven't opened the actual package. I'm just going to like give you guys like a run through and just talk a little about this. I got this bag. This is actually the Gucci Marmont backpack. It's the leather Marmont backpack. I don't know what it's called like fully, but then I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen. But then this bag is literally $5,000, practically $6,000. That's freaking expensive. I can't afford that, at least yet. So I got to know about this brand called Coee bags. I believe that's how they're called. It's called Coee bags and they're here in China. I checked out their website, I checked some reviews here on YouTube, and I saw that they actually have amazing bags. So if you have a bag that you normally get for about $5,000, $10,000 and all those ridiculous prices, you can actually get those bags for as low as $100. This one that I have here is about $300. I'm not sure, but then I'm going to leave everything on the screen here. I'm going to leave the price and everything for this bag. I can't really remember, but then it's about $300 and something compared to $6,000. And another thing is that their bags are really high quality, at least from what I've seen. Like from what I've watched and from what I've seen, and they look exactly like how the original bags come. We're going to see how true that is. I have a bag from them here with me. I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you guys so we know if we found a plug for our designer replica bags or not. From what I've seen, it looks like these bags look exactly like the real things, and some people say that you can't even tell the difference from the original and replica. So let's see how true that is. I don't own the original of this bag. I don't even own any original Gucci bag, but then I feel like if I see something that is high quality and feels expensive, I can tell. So I'm going to see if this is what that looks like. I actually have not opened it. Like I just opened this thing. This is going to be a first impression. We're going to be reacting together to this bag. Quite heavy. It's actually so heavy. Normally when people get like replica bags off of Amazon or Wish or whatever, they always complain that it is very light, but then this is heavy. So it just comes in this bubble wrap. We have this bubble wrap here and this, and this is where you get it. Ooh. Okay, I don't know what the original thing looks like, but then honestly this looks expensive. From what they explain on the website and all of that, in the information of this brand, all their bags are really high quality and there is little to no difference with the original bag. But then at least I really like the fact that they're honest and they tell you that this is a replica bag, but they don't deceive you and tell you that, oh, you're buying the original thing, blah blah blah. No, they don't do that. They tell you that it's a replica bag and you're getting it for a way cheaper price. Do they wholesale? Yes, they do. So if you want to buy wholesale, in case we check this bag out and you like it and you're interested in buying wholesale to sell, they got you. I'm not telling anybody to go and sell it as the real thing. Don't do that. That's scam. When you open it, this is how it looks when you. So this is the bag in it. So let me just remove this. You guys, you won't even believe what I just saw. There's a receipt here, and the receipt the receipt says 16,800 Hong Kong dollars. We're going to be seeing for ourselves if it's actually worth the hype. Like the Union Pay receipt. So it comes with a dust bag, and the dust bag is inside out. This is the bag. This is what it looks like. Wow. Wow. It feels expensive. Like it actually feels expensive. I'm just going to remove all these white things and then show you guys. I see some. I can see like it is actual metal. I've seen other reviews of people complaining that like knockoffs they buy of Gucci or something is plastic, but this is actual metal. But then you can see like little scratches, just very you can barely notice it. It's just because like I'm coming really close. You can see like very little scratches on that, and that's that. Nothing else. Yes. First of all, the quality is so good. Like it feels so good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's worth the money. I feel like it looks exactly like what I see in pictures. Stitches are neat. It doesn't look like a knockoff. It looks expensive. It looks expensive. Will I be rocking this bag? Of course. I'll just give you guys like a close. Of course I will. So they just put some whatever this is called. I believe this is just to keep the shape of the bag. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this bag a 9. I'll also leave all their information in the description bar below. Go ahead and check. Coee bags, they have some amazing bags. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Prada, they have Gucci. I'm not really a designer person, so I don't know a lot of them. They have a lot though. Just go out and check them out. They have Balenciaga, they have whatever designer it is, best believe they have it, and they come at cheap prices. If you're not all about replicas, that's fine. You can go ahead and get the original thing. If you have the money to splurge, spend your money, girl. Spend your money. What about what nobody's saying? Spend your money. But me, I ain't got that money yet, so we're going to stick to this. And you know, our Teddy Blake, all those other affordable designer brands. You know, I got some Teddy Blake here too. This is legit. It's not a replica. It's legit. Just saying. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys go ahead and check out Coee bags. I'm going to leave all their links. If you want to get in wholesale, you can get and resell. It's probably going to be cheaper even. If you want to get for just your personal use, if there's a designer bag that you've been wanting for so long and you don't know where to get it, best believe Coee bags is your plug, because you're going to be getting it for a very high quality. I wouldn't recommend something I won't use here on this channel. So this is the first episode of my series, which I said I was going to start, and I have finally decided on a name I'm going to call it, and the name is going to be Source Hunt. So we're basically going to be hunting for the source of whatever it is we want to get. Do you get what I mean? Anyway, so we're going to be calling it Source Hunt. I asked you guys to bring up names, and you guys came up with some names, quite a number of names. Some were really funny, honestly. I can't even lie, some were really funny. But then out of all of that, I decided to go with Source Hunt, and that's what we're going to be calling this series. So this is the first episode. We're going to have a lot more other episodes. Just wait on that. Chill, take a chill pill, because we're going to be doing hair, makeup, clothes, anything, cars, houses, best believe, you name it, and I'll go and hunt for it. We're going to hunt for the sources of where they come from, because we want to get it at cheaper prices and not for expensive prices. We want to get it from the source itself. You know what I mean? We want to know where it's made, how it is gotten, where does it come from, how is it made, how can we get it for a cheaper price from the source. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what else you guys want me to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.